Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the third video for the Bride to Be series, and in this video I wanted to create cocktail party look. Even if you are a wedding guest and you want to do this makeup look, you can definitely go for it. I really wanted to create this very loud smoky eye. I loved how it turned out, and let me know in the comment section below if you think so or not. And also I have used a lot of product that I have bought in my Nykaa haul, so you will get to see a lot of them in here. And before moving on to the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are a family of 500 plus subs now. It's amazing, it feels so good. I'm thankful to each one of you. And yeah, without wasting further time, let's get started.
So of course skin prep is a must. I am using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost cream which I showed you guys in the haul. I love it. I haven't been able to put it down. And next is eye cream, and this is the quantity that I take. Like for each eye you don't need to apply too much. It's just for soothing effect, like it soothes your eyes. Then of course a primer is a must. And after primer I'll move on to my eyebrows. So I use this Freedom pomade, the brow pomade, and for that I use the new kit that I got from Patry. I showed you guys in the haul, but I quite did not like this angle brush for eyebrows. You can see that it picked up nothing and there was no color deposit, like the pigment deposit on my eyebrows. So actually initially I went in with my Faces brush, which I love. आ गया फोन, काम वाम नहीं होने वाला मेरे से. But anyway, I'm going to continue. You can see me struggling. It just did not deposit any product. So I don't think this is appropriate for eyebrows, like filling up your eyebrows with a pomade. I think it will be more appropriate for using any gel liner. I have to try and test that out. That's why I tell you guys that I need some time to test and try every product so that I know how everything works, and so that I can deliver you guys the most honest reviews that you guys are here for. So after trying so much, I finally filled my eyebrows in, and then I use this LA Girl concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige for priming my eyelids, and thank God this was a very good match for me. Then I used the Fit Me Loose powder to set it. This is the PAC 221 brush, by the way. I love blending my concealers with this. Then the eyeshadow palette I went for this time is MORPHE 3502. If you don't have this palette, just go for any burnt orange shade on your crease. Please make sure that you do blend your eyeshadow. There's no better thing than blending eyeshadows properly. It just changes the whole look. Then I'll take a slight darker orange, and this is like more of a brownish orange. Then I'll take a bit denser flat brush, and I'll explain every brush in the review video where I'll show you guys what all brushes are there in this PAC eye care kit. So now just remember that I'm using these kind of brushes. Then again going back with the blending brush and blending it, and then taking this shade, this is a maroonish brown, and taking this pencil brush so that I can have like more concentrated area, like I can create the crease basically, because I have hooded eyes and I don't have a natural nice crease, so I have to make it. You will get very similar shades in the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It has really similar shades, and I think I have told you guys this before as well, that there are many shades that are similar and you can get the same shades in other palettes as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the same color in the inner and outer corner and keeping the center kind of bare. At this point I'm really packing the color, the maroon brown color, on my lid. I think this is the shade called Brunette from the palette. It's a very beautiful shade. Then going in with Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and this is the super black version, by the way. I'm tight lining my eyelids and also filling up like I want to say quarter part, because I did not film, like I did not scribble the pencil on all over my lids, because this is very hard to blend later. That's why. And anyways, I did not need that much coverage because the black in this palette is like really intense. Next, I'm taking this small applicator brush and I took black shade from the same MORPHE palette, and I'm just applying it on my lids. And I have shown you guys as many clips as I can, keeping the timestamp in mind. And also, like, I'll take the black shade quite like to the crease. I want to say I'll blend it a little bit above it so that I get the beautiful gradient effect. So as you can see, I picked up a different blending brush and started blending the black with my crease shade. And also I think I took a bit of the blending shade, like the shade called brunette, right here, and I'm just building up the shade because it was just gone after I blended it. So for the glitter part, I took the Smashbox Bold Glitter palette and I took the black shade. This is a black glitter, like with some silver reflex. If you want to skip the glitter part, you can totally do that. The smoky eye, you can keep it matte and just normal like this. It will look gorgeous. And if you have any other glitter, go ahead and use it. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this palette. This is a very good quality glitter palette, and it's very weird that you don't have to use any separate glitter glue for it, and this is beautiful. Next, I'm taking this wet wipe and I'm just cleaning off if any fallout and all. I did not have much fallout, but still. And also I'm making the eyeshadow line clearer. So for the foundation, I'm taking the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I love it, and I love using it with a brush first and then going in with the Beauty blender. Okay, yeah, this is in the shade True Beige, which is 08. This is a very good shade range and I love this foundation. This is like absolute favorite. Taking the same illegal concealer, I'm concealing my under eyes. Also, I'll go in with the Maybelline concealer, like the Age Rewind in this shade Neutralizer, because it's very brightening, and with a heavy smoky eyes, you want to make sure that your under eyes look very bright. Also, I cleaned out the upper portion of my eyebrows. I was not happy with how my eyebrows turned out, honestly, but then at the end off camera I did fix them. And I'm using my concealer in the usual area, some on my forehead and tip of my nose and all of that, but you can see the quantity is really less. I don't go ham on with my base makeup because I feel that I don't need it that much. So here I'm going in with the brightening concealer, and this is the quantity that I'll use. I use the same Fit Me powder to set my concealer under my eyes and around my face. Then I took the kajal, and this is the same Maybelline kajal, and then I smudged it, and I used the darker shades like the shade like brunette and the black only on the outer corners, and this is the lighter shade. That is why I'm like blending and smudging the kajal a bit with it with the same pencil brush. And also I'm removing the excess powder from my face. Then as you can see, I'm using the same shades. It's very important to like smoke out your lower lash line too, because that is how the whole look comes together. And this is where I used brunette, that is why I'm not going like to the inner corners. And now with the black mixed with some of the brunette, I'm just joining two lines so that there's no harsh line, you know. For the contouring, I took the sugar palette, and oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm so impressed by the shade. This is like, oh my god, one of my most favorite. I think this can easily be a good battle between this and my Bahama bronzer. I love it that much in the first go. This is beautiful. So MAC Rosy Cheek is there for my blush, and then for the highlighter I took the Maybelline Molten Rose Gold. This is beautiful, very nice. I loved using it, and I think by so far I'm really happy with the products I got in my haul. Nothing really disappointed me, but I have kind of mixed thoughts on the brush set. Not that I don't like it, I'll let you guys know obviously, but yeah, I also used it on my inner corners and my brow bone. Then I took this Maybelline lip liner, and I'll mention all the shades down in the description box below. Then I took this Smashbox liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Driver's Seat. I did try some other shade you guys can see here, but I did not really like the shade with this look, so I did not even mention the name of what lipstick I used. And this is the mascara I took. This is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. Then I took back eyelash number 72.
Hope you guys have enjoyed it. I loved creating this. Let me know in the comment section below what other looks you wanna see. Say for mehendi, haldi. Mehendi already I have done. And please tell me if you wanna like see more of that. Leave it in the comment section below. Tag me in pictures in Instagram if you want me to recreate some looks. And also I wanna mention, I know I'm getting a lot of requests for Alia Bhatt's Diwali look. It will come up, but after the Bride to Be series. I cannot do all of that together, so I'm really sorry for that, but that is coming. I think probably December end I'll start that series again after this Bride to Be series is over. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.